As we know, cues are often used in Parkinson's disease to improve motor performance. Nevertheless, its neural mechanisms are not yet completely understood, also given the difficulty of collecting kinematic and brain activity data together. To do so, we used an optical fiber glove to collect kinematic data of an end-tapping task during the fMRI. And we found that during the self-paced end-tapping, patient with Parkinson's disease showed the typical alteration of bradykinesia, so reduced speed and amplitude, and a tendency to reduce amplitude with task repetition. And we also found a reduced activity of pallidum, while during the task with auditory cues we found an increased amplitude and particularly an improved ability to maintain amplitude with task repetition, together with an increased activity of pallidum and a reduced activity of supplementary motor areas. All these results together support the stabilizing role of cues that may not only support the motor function, but also optimize brain activity. If you're interested in the topic, we just published this paper on NPJ Parkinson's disease.